Also developing tonight, the Supreme Court heard arguments today in what's being considered the most significant case this term. Whether states like Tennessee can ban puberty blockers and hormone treatments for transgender youth. Natalie Brand is at the Supreme Court. She spoke with families on both sides of this issue.
Parents of transgender youth on both sides of the issue made their voices heard outside the U.S. Supreme Court as the justices weighed arguments inside.
Normally in these cases, one group receives something that the other group does not.
The case challenges the constitutionality of a Tennessee law that bans what's known as gender-affirming care, such as puberty blockers or hormone therapy for transgender minors.
It's a sweeping categorical ban where the legislature didn't even take into account the significant health benefits that can come from providing gender-affirming care, including reduced suicidal ideation and suicide attempts.
More than 20 states have similar measures on the books.
Our child has been receiving gender-affirming health care until this year.
Mom Rebecca Bell of South Carolina says she and fellow mom Mary Foster have been fighting their state's ban.
Gender-affirming care is life-saving care. So our kids are at risk when they don't have the care they need to be healthy and happy.
Tennessee's Solicitor General argued the state is trying to protect children.
Given the high desistance rate among minors and given the tragic regret of detransitioners, that there is an interest in making sure that minors have enough time to appreciate their sex before undergoing life-altering changes.
Mom Erin Friday of California supports the ban. She decided against gender-affirming care for her daughter.
I refuse to do that, teaching my daughter that you can't change sex and showering her with a lot of love and compassion. And then she returned back to believing that she was a girl after a year and a half.
While justices decide the landmark case, families on the two sides say ultimately they just want their children to be happy. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the Supreme Court.